Hello everyone! I'm Jim Sardinia from Davao City, dating hotel supervisor, ngayon isang online entrepreneur. Nagsimula ako sa Technowealth Creators during the pandemic. Honestly, wala talaga akong experience when it comes to online business, wala talaga akong experience when it comes to online selling dahil hindi ko talaga yun forte. Yung forte ko talaga is really to go work in a hotel kasi nga yun yung parang one of my passions. Dahil nga sa pandemic, di ba, nagkaroon ng mga travel ban, nag-lockdown, wala nang hotels, no? Basically, walang travel. So, during that time, I was worried baka isa ako sa mawalan ng work dahil yung company namin nag-retrench, no? Sobrang daming natanggal sa trabaho. And I was really worried na isa ako sa mawawala ng work. And dahil doon, sabi ko, dapat magkaroon ako ng parang fallback or makahanap ako ng parang side hustle, no? Para at least, kung mawala man ako ng work, meron pa rin akong kikitain. Because, bills, di ba? So, wala tayong magagawa. Kailangan pa rin natin babayaran yung mga bills natin. So, when I was actually browsing my Facebook, doon lumabas sa feeds ko yung ads ni Coach Ed. And I was really curious. And during that time, no, pinanood ko talaga yung mga videos niya. And right then and there, nagbayad agad ako or nag-subscribe agad ako dun sa program ni Coach Ed. And dahil nga wala akong experience when it comes to online selling or when it comes to online business, no, dito ko lang talaga nalaman lahat. And pinag-aralan kong mabuti yung business from start until the end. At dahil doon, I'm now one of the leaders of Technowealth Creators. Dahil doon nga, no, sa business natin sa Technowealth Creators, I was able to hit my 6-digit income in just 3 months. Sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga sa TWC system is one of the tools is yung chatbot. Kasi as a hotel supervisor, yun yung work ko, no? Nagsasagot kami ng mga inquiry from our customers, from our hotel guests. And dun ko talaga nakita yung sobrang hassle, no, na manually mo siyang sasagutin isa-isa lahat yung mga inquiries ng customer. But unlike dito sa business natin sa Technowealth Creators, dahil nga sa chatbot, meron ka ng katulong or katuwang, no, to answer all the inquiries of your customers. So kahit tulog ka, kung busy ka sa trabaho mo or mayroon kang ginagawang iba, no, because of the chatbot system that we have here in Technowealth Creators, lahat ng mga inquiries ng customers mo ay nasasagot ng chatbot natin. Sobrang saya ko kasi nga, nung nag-work pa ako, hindi ka basta-basta makapag-travel. Grabe, di ba? Kailangan mo pa mag-file ng leave. Makapag-travel ka nga, di ba? Ubus naman yung ipon mo sa pag-travel, di ba? Kasi after mo mag-travel, no, tatrabaho ka ulit. So parang ganun lang yung naging life ko when I was still working as a hotel supervisor. But dahil nga sa business na to, I have now the time freedom, no, to go anywhere else. At ang kagandahan pa dito, it's actually free. So it's free travel for me. So wala na akong iisipin pa, no, na bayaran pa yung mga travels ko. And at the same time, kumikita talaga ako. So possible pala talaga, you can actually have your own business at the same time have the time freedom na gawin yung business na to. Kung ikaw ay isang empleyado, sobrang busy sa work na katulad ko, and gusto mo magkaroon ng time freedom and makapag-travel for free, then I think this is the right opportunity for you. This is Jim Sardinia, one of the team leaders of Technowealth Creators. TWC, ako.